Welcome back to Algebra 2 Easy. Let's simplify this expression. Notice that you have an x to the fourth in the numerator and then x in the denominator. If we use those properties of exponents, when you have the same base and you are dividing, you subtract the exponents. Now, we do know that this particular variable has an exponent of 1, so 4 minus 1 makes x to the third power. So we truthfully have the cube root of x to the third power, y squared, divided by 125. Now, you're kind of stuck, and the way that we're going to unstuck is going to be for us to separate the two radicals. So I truthfully could rewrite this as the cube root of x cubed y squared divided by the cube root of just 125. So let's do that. What's great is that we know that 125 is a perfect cube. So you can take the cube root of this and then the radical is gone. The cube root of 125 is 5. Then let's talk about that numerator. In the numerator, notice that we have x cubed and y squared. Remember, in order for your variables to come outside, you must divide by the index. So we have an index of 3, so I'm going to say x to the third. I'm going to take that power of 3 and divide by 3. If you say 3 divided by 3, you're going to get x to the first power. So I'm going to write x. Then, if you try to say 2 divided by 3, you are going to be out of luck here because remember, this index tells you how many per group. So they want groups of 3. And notice that we only have 2 y's, and that's definitely not enough to make 3. So y squared has to stay under the radical. So again, the index tells you how many you need per group. So it's going to be x times the cube root of y squared. And then that's it. X times the cube root of y squared divided by 5.